Solar power is a sustainable choice for homeowners. Understanding the costs involved is essential. We'll explore the financial aspects of going solar, cost-saving strategies, and the long-term investment benefits. The cost varies widely based on home size, energy needs, equipment quality, and location. Prices typically range from $10,000 to $30,000, including equipment and labor. Labor, mounting systems, battery storage, and energy efficiency all play a role in determining total costs. Better efficiency reduces the number of panels needed. Solar power can reduce energy bills significantly, with potential savings over the lifespan of the system. Financial incentives like tax credits can lower the initial cost by up to 30%. Increase home energy efficiency, explore PV direct systems, and consider community solar programs to cut costs. Efficient homes need fewer panels. Solar reduces carbon footprint, enhances energy independence, and can increase property value. It's a long-term solution against price fluctuations and power outages. Solar power's initial costs are offset by long-term benefits, making it a wise choice for homeowners. Research thoroughly and consult professionals to find the best solar solution for your home.